Okay, well, I'm on the GoPro Hero 7 Black now, and I figured I'd kind of do a comparison to let y'all see what the GoPro audio and what the video looks like. So this is a GoPro Hero 7 Black, just since I commented about it on my last video. GoPro Hero 7 Black video and audio test for taking camping, on cruises, for family stuff. What you think? Okay, so here is the DJI Osmo Pocket, and let you see how the video quality is on that, as well as the audio. I think it's comparable to the Canon G7X Mark II. As far as the depth of field and everything, it looks pretty good. Like I said, I haven't used this one yet to go out and document a cruise or anything like that. I've just been trying it out around here at the house. But the quality of the DJI Osmo Pocket, I'm going to put together a little small video for you linking the Osmo Pocket and the GoPro Hero 7 so you can see how the video looks, audio sounds, and go from there. So this is just a little short video. If you look back on my video I made about what cameras I use, you can see how the video looks on the Canon G7X Mark II. So with that being said, I'm going to shut this down, go inside, and I'll put together the video for you. Here you go.